It is dark, you are walking to the kitchen, and your little toe finds the corner of the bed frame. Then something strange happens. Nothing. For about one whole second, there is no pain at all. You have time to know it is coming, and then it arrives. That gap is not shock. That gap is a measurement. Your body just told you how fast its own wiring is. Pain does not travel on one line, it travels on two, and they run at very different speeds. The first line is a fast fiber, wrapped in insulation carrying the sharp, bright stab at up to 30 meters per second. The second line is a slow fiber, bare unwrapped carrying the deep, sick throb at about 1 meter per second. Your toe is roughly 1 meter from your spinal cord, so the sharp signal lands almost instantly. The dull one takes about a second. 2 messages, 1 injury, that is the gap. So why does it hurt so much more than your elbow? 1. The physics. You are walking at about 1.5 meters per second. Your whole body has momentum, and you stop all of it on a surface the size of a fingernail. Small area, same force, enormous pressure. 2. The wiring. Your fingertips and your toes carry some of the densest nerve endings in the body. You built them that way to feel. Tonight it works against you. 3. The bone. There is almost no muscle over your toe, just a thin sheath around the bone called the periosteum, and it is packed with pain receptors. You did not hit flesh. You hit a bell, and your foot never had a chance. Your little toe sits on the outside edge, so it swings the widest arc of anything you own. The furniture was always going to find it first. Now watch what you do next. You grab it, you rub it, and it genuinely helps. 1965. Ronald Melzack and Patrick Wall published the gate control theory of pain. Touch signals and pain signals compete for the same gate in the spinal cord. Rubbing floods the gate with touch and less pain gets through. Then you swear. 2009. Keele University, England. Volunteers held a hand in ice water. The ones allowed to swear lasted far longer. It won an Ig Nobel Prize, so you were not overreacting. You measured your nerve speed, you overloaded a pressure sensor, you rang a bone, and you ran a working painkiller. All of it in the dark. On the way to the fridge.